Hello Disney family, so it is Wednesday night and tomorrow we are going to Disneyland for my birthday, and we're going with my sister, my brother, and my mom, and my daughters, obviously. Hi, you wanna come say hi? Okay. So I thought we would shoot, ready, come say hi. Hi. So I thought we would shoot a get ready with me video because we have to pack the diaper bag and we have to make a lunch for Ruthie and we need to clean up and get all ready, right? Because are we gonna go to Disneyland tomorrow?
Yeah.
So I figured I'd shoot it vlog style. I thought that would be fun and yeah, just giving something new a try.
Try.
So let's get ready. Let's get ready. Okay, so I actually don't know how well that the whole packing the lunch went, but I'll at least show you what I packed for Ruthie. So I will preface this by saying Ruthie is not a picky eater. I wouldn't call her a picky eater. I mean, she has things, of course, that she doesn't like, but for the most part, she'll eat pretty much anything. Here is what I packed Ruthie. She's got blueberries, some turkey, some cheese, some red pepper, some cucumber. She has 2 hard-boiled eggs. She actually doesn't like the middle part of the egg. And then she has some chips. She didn't love those chips, but part of what I do is I put things on her plate at least 3 times just to actually see if she doesn't like it. So she's only tried these chips once. She didn't like it the one time that she tried it, so I figured we'd give it a shot. So that is her lunch slash snacks for tomorrow. I mean, of course she'll probably have french fries because she's my kid. Look who's asleep. She's going on her first trip tomorrow. Say hi, everybody. I'm getting ready. She can't wait. My apologies with how loud it is in here, but I have a question for moms out there. If you have pins, like I do, and you want to showcase said pins, but really you don't want to bring 10,000 bags to the park, and you want to showcase your pins and you have to use a diaper bag, how do you do it? I tried to put some buttons on my bag last time and a ton of them fell off. I lost one. So I just would love your opinion because I really do want to show my pins in the park. I just don't know how to do it. So if you have an opinion or a suggestion, not an opinion, if you have a suggestion on how to do it, would love some help. Oh, there's my most prized possession. Look at that guy. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Oh, I love it. And then there. Look, my favorite ones are right in the middle. Aww. And then, of course, bringing these guys tomorrow for Pixar Fest. I did not even show you guys these. I went back to Toys R Us. $2 for these buttons, and I'm so stoked about them. Struggling so hard for motivation right now. Leanne is leaving tomorrow for a wedding, and we initially weren't sure what was gonna happen with Rosie, so I wasn't able to commit to the wedding, and I'm so bummed. Amy, I love you so much if you're watching this. I'm so sad. I've already cried numerous times about the fact that I'm not coming to your wedding, but I love you. Have a happy wedding. On the other hand, I have 0 motivation for packing this diaper bag right now. Let me show you all I've done for this diaper bag. That's it, guys. That's all I got. I've got extra clothes for Rosie and a pair of pants for Ruthie, and I am just like not motivated because I need to switch from my small diaper bag to my bigger diaper bag. I just need more stuff for the park. Help. Okay, so I'm gonna start packing this bag. But at least I have the cutest helper. What are you doing? Then my dog just came up. Hello, Bentley. Hello. Yeah. Okay, I have to get this on camera because my child is seeing a toy. Look. What do you see? Bless you. What do you see? You see the toys? Wow. Hi. What do you see? Wow. I just want to say this is a wet dry bag and it's got all the princesses on it, and I actually got all 3. There were only 3 when I ever saw them. They were Mickey and Minnie and this, and I actually cloth diaper. I haven't started cloth diapering Rosie yet, but I cloth diapered Ruthie. I don't anymore because she's in pull-ups, but I will start cloth diapering Rosie again, or I will start cloth diapering Rosie. And so anyway, this is the wet dry bag, and it's got Ruthie's bathing suit in it. So many diapers. So this is some newer sunscreen. I've never tried the Banana Boat brand, but it was on sale, and its active ingredients are titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. You guys know how I feel about mineral sunscreens. Discussed it several times, but basically it's a physical barrier. Basically it's a physical barrier as opposed to a chemical barrier. It's just for sensitive skin, better for you, better for me, doesn't enter the bloodstream, a whole lot of scientific stuff. This is my favorite face stick. It's the Baby Ganix. I like Baby Ganix. I got a really good price for 2 for $7.99, so that was awesome. Look, he's sitting with me. So I'm pretty much done. I just have to make Ruthie's water. I have to get the extra like phone charger. I just have to stick a couple extra things in the bag tomorrow. But I'm pretty much done. I don't know. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this kind of vlog style. Can you hear Rosie? She's like, pick me up. That's why I'm finishing this up. So let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this kind of vlog style, get ready with me type of thing. It was fun. It was really easy for me to do. A lot easier than my usual like standalone head ones. I have to go to my baby, but I'll see you guys soon. Bye.